Alrighty guys, I am back guys. I'm coming up on a red light. Now I want to share something with you guys. This is why test drives are crucial, are so important guys. Remember the complaint, I'm low on gas but I got enough to get back. Remember the complaint I told you that the car is overheating and has a misfire? Well guys, I never could get the car to overheat even with idling. The fan come on, the fan go off, which means it went through its cycle. So the car is not overheating. What I'm thinking the customer or whoever wrote the ticket up miscalculated or misinterpreted the customer. Now, I'm driving this car. The higher the speed I get, the louder a whining noise become. Okay, now is it the transmission or is it in the wheels by way of a hub bearing or something like that? I don't know. But guys, test drives are crucial. Now, when I'm coming up on a green light now, so when I get moving, I'm gonna leave this running just long enough where y'all can hear the noise. I'm in gear. From the looks of this, it looked like I think this is a CVT transmission in here. But let me shut up so y'all can hear. The higher the speed, the higher the pitch noise. And my transmission is shifting. You can gauge that from your RPM. Wow, y'all hear that? I'm only at 1,000 RPM, guys. This noise is rolling dependent. Okay, while driving, I slam this transmission into neutral, and I turn the car completely off. So I eliminate the engine as well as the drivetrain in some cases. Now I don't know. I don't think this is a PTU, meaning four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. So the only thing in play at that point, if you rolling 40 miles an hour, you turn the car off, slam it in neutral, so you just rolling and you still hear that whining noise, is something in the hub bearing, guys. That's the only thing, that's the only resistance. That's the only thing in between your car and the road is your wheels. The only thing in between your wheels and the car, rolling wise, is bearings. So you will have to take a look at those bearings, guys. This gets louder and louder the higher the speed I go. So yes guys, I'm so glad I went on a test drive. I'm glad y'all let y'all talk me into that. This complaint is misconstrued, not accurate. The car is not overheating or. Now see, if I was a customer and didn't know how to tell somebody what's wrong with my car, I very well could explain it like that. Oh, it sounds like it's overheating. You ever heard a complaint like that? It sounds like it's overheating. And whoever the guy is that's listening, he's not no more mechanically inclined than her, so he writes it up like that. Listen at that. Hear that high-pitched noise? That is crazy. And look, I'm pressing on the gas and off. So, matter of fact, I'm gonna do this with y'all. Look, I'm throwing it in neutral. I'm in neutral. In fact, turn the key off. Car off. Nothing. You hear that? I'm rolling. Y'all hear that noise? Wow. Now you can start the car back up in neutral and proceed to what you was doing, but I use that tactic for diagnostic purposes, guys. So when I get back to the shop, I need to let this thing in the air and check the hub bearings. Although the CVT transmission will cause that. Remember, guys, I turned the car off and slammed the transmission in neutral. But I want to say that some gear is still rolling, guys. When I get up in the air, we're going to check some more, all right? So for now, let me turn around and head back to the shop, guys. I hear what I need to hear. Wow, guys, I'm on my way back to the shop. It is louder and louder. Of course, the faster you go. You know what's weird? It's coming from the rear, so it's going to be interesting when I get it up in the air and turn the wheels. Ooh, that's loud. Which wheel going to produce the noise? Guess we'll find out, guys. Stay tuned.
Alrighty, guys. We got the Cherokee. We got it on the lift. I'm getting ready to take it in the air because we're going to inspect these rolling resistance, the wheels. It's going to be coming from either the transmission or the hub bearing. And from where I sit, it sounded like it was coming from the rear. So if it's coming from the rear, it's definitely not the transmission because it's a front wheel drive car, right? All right, let's stop guesstimating. Let's find out. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Hub bearings normally 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock suspension, things like tie rods and things like that. I only got one hand, but I don't think it's in the front anyway. So we going, okay, there's nothing obvious. Let's go to the rear. Turn this wheel. Oh, I don't feel any grit from now. I should have gloves on. Normally I was expecting to hear like, "Rrr." Let's go to this wheel. Yep. Y'all hear that? I love it. Hold on. This is it, guys. Do y'all hear that? That is my noise, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. And normally you think, like if I held it at 6 and 12, there's no looseness, but the bearing it's noisy. Yeah, and this hub bearing is fairly easy, guys. 4 bolts. Of course, take the wheel off, man. The 4 bolts and the bearing assembly. This is bearing assembly. Should come right out. May have this is ABS sensor right here. But this is the side. I knew it was from the rear. Let's see. Do y'all hear that? Wow. That was fairly easy. Good, because I did not want to fool with this CVT. I want to say the CVT transmission. No. So let me write this estimate up, guys. I like to do them in pairs, guys. So, and depending, I'm gonna give them an estimate for all 4 guys. Remember, they all got the same amount of work to them. Okay, yes, there are front wheel bearings in the front. All right, so I will tell them that their problem, noisy bearing, is coming from the rear. But here's an estimate on all 4. Okay, I would tell them they know it's coming from the left rear wheel. If that's the only one you want replaced, fine, we can do that. But I highly recommend that we do all 4. That is loud. See, he got music playing now, so y'all probably can't hear it now. But yes, this is the culprit. Guys, that's all I have. If they buy it, I'll show y'all how to do a wheel hub bearing, okay? If not, that's the end. At least y'all got how to diagnose and the importance of a test drive, okay? At least I clarified that. All right, guys, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.